Hi, join us on the June edition of Talking Trade and Investment Global webinar series. This edition continues with the recommendations for the new administration. Date: Saturday, 3rd June 2023 at 5 p.m. West Africa time. Panel of experts will include Barrister Bayo Ayo, Partner, Lords and Temple Chambers; Mr. Sheye Oyeleye, Director General, Development Agenda for Western Nigeria, Dawn Commission; Mr. Emmanuel Oscar Macaulay, CEO McDaniel Personal Care Limited. The webinar will be anchored by Lady K and the session moderated by the convener, Olufemi Boyede, CITP. Don't forget to register and share. For more info, visit www.femiboyedeconsulting.com/events.